Sun City Center at Fairway Pointe, where they have an active 55 plus community with great villas. The great thing about this is there is no CDD fee. The HOAs are low, and it does include the exterior yard maintenance as well. When you walk in this floor plan, what I immediately love is this nice large island. It even has the outlets and a huge farmhouse sink. Very convenient. It has the dishwasher right next to it. And of course, the fridge has a little nook over there beside it so that you can set things down beside you or behind you. You can make that a little coffee bar if you want it as well. On this side, you've got a nice gas appliance. Gas is becoming more prominent in Florida. Beautiful tile floor here. Very coastal look, wood look tile. Don't forget the nice pantry here. Lots of storage capabilities. Laundry room. Got some storage above the laundry here, which is nice, and a little closet as well. You've got a hallway closet for some linen storage also. It's very important to have a lot of storage in Florida. Cute tile, very nice. Very modern black finishes here. Quartz countertops. A couple years ago, I know that home builders, especially during the COVID freeze and the shutdown, they were still doing Formica and other solid surfaces, but these are beautiful modern quartz countertops. Here is one of the bedrooms right outside the bathroom, very convenient for our guests. Nice large windows, let in a lot of natural light. Got carpet in here, which does help cut down some noise. And they do have impact glass on all their windows. Not only an energy saver, it is a noise reducer. Going back through the kitchen to your main living area, you'll see these extra windows up top here for more natural light, and it still gives you the privacy since they're up above. Now in the kitchen, they give you some seating room at the island, but they also give you a formal dining area. And if you didn't want to have a formal dining area, you could extend the room, but they'll give you a cap here to put in a fixture. And here you have nice French doors with glass so that you can see through. You could change that out if you wanted. But they've made a lovely study office room here. Of course, you could make this into anything you wanted. It could be a reading room or another smaller living room. But for those who still work or like book nooks, it's a great room. And it is split floor plan. This has the primary at the back of the house. So it is a larger room. This has a beautiful tray ceiling with a great light fixture. Two windows along the side so you can have a creative headboard and make a centerpiece focal wall. Onto the bathroom. They have separate tile in here, very fitting for the bathroom, looks like marble. You have a separate toilet area. There is no door here, so you can't shut it from the rest of the bathroom, but there is a door right here cutting you off from the room, so you have privacy there. There's another little linen closet inside the bathroom. And then you have his and her sinks with plenty of cabinet storage, which I love. You've got your walk-in shower here with the pony wall. And Something that I love that new homes have been doing is they've been putting the shower handle on one side and then you walk in so that you're not getting wet from turning the handle on. You can let the water get hot, nice little shower niche there. And of course a lovely walk-in closet. And again with this, they do give you a lanai. We are near one of the more main roads in Sun City Center and the freeway, which is why this is called Fairway Pointe. Now this is the home closest to the street, so it will be the loudest. It's a very nice, cozy home. 2 bedrooms and an office. Enough space to entertain, and if you wanted to, you could make the office into another bedroom. One of the things that I like most about this floor plan is, again, it is very easy to clean with the wood look tile. One of the other things that I like is there's a lot of natural light in the corner windows and then up high, so you have privacy, but they made it very bright and welcoming. They used soft neutral colors to appeal to Florida, but they modernized it in a very attractive way. This is Fairway Pointe in Sun City Center. This is an active 55+ community, and it has amazing benefits. Again, no CDD and low HOA fees. So this is one that is easy to live in and maintain. They do the yard work and everything for you. Click on the link below if you'd like to schedule a call with me to make sure that this is the right community. Fairway Pointe in Sun City Center, south of Tampa, is a vibrant 55+ small community of villas that have impact costs, saving you money on insurance, your energy efficiency, and they're also quieter. And it also has a low HOA fee that includes your exterior yard maintenance. Be sure to check it out and contact me to know more, because remember, I'm on your side.